Well, you've heard her complaining about her neck all day, so Gelman has decided to do something about it. He's brought his own personal chiropractor to the show. So please welcome Dr. Roy Siegel. Dr. Roy.
Hi, Dr. Roy, hi. I'm really in a lot of pain here.
Show the doctor where it hurts.
To here, this whole region here.
What is that?
Oh, it's trapezius. Trapezius. Yep.
A spasm.
Yep, it's a spasm. You heard it when you bend your head forward?
Yes.
Is it going when you go backwards too?
It just always hurts. Everything hurts. Oh.
Is it better now?
No.
Is it fixed?
Oh, do you feel all the crunchy?
I feel it all.
It's a lot of tension is what he's saying. What is the tension in your life?
I wonder.
Certainly not around here. Certainly you've never had more freedom than you've had around here.
Gelman, do you see that he's annoying me while I'm being chiropracted?
Does it start one place, Dr. Roy?
Yeah, well, C5
Up there and then work
Kelly.
your way down?
C5?
C5.
That's not good.
That's what it was last time, Kelly.
That's what it was last time. Do you
That's what it
remember?
was.
Why is this
Certainly did.
chronic, doctor?
Well, it's chronic because she doesn't keep her head in the proper position all the time.
Really?
She's
What's
not
wrong with
keeping
her?
Head erect over
What
her
does she do
torso.
with that
Look.
head?
I am a married woman, okay?
Talking about what? Is she throwing it around?
Sometimes.
I'm going to take this instrument and move your bone.
Oh, here we go. I don't want to see
This won't
this.
hurt.
Ow! All fixed?
It's going to be better.
Oh, Dr. Roy, I love you so much.
All right. Hey, so far, our production staff, hello.
Take a deep breath in.
Hello. Got a minute?
And breathe out.
Our production staff has lost 56.5 pounds over the last 6 weeks. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.
Even if you tried to quit smoking before, try again. The 4 milligram